To fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, what you have to do next is to just scroll down a little bit, and you're going to find apps and notification, app and preference, app list, apps and app. So when you find any of these, just tap on it to open it. After that, what you have to do is to wait. As you can see, it's loading. Now, after loading, tap on see your apps. Now you have to scroll a little bit and tap on Amino app. After that, tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure every show notification is turned on. Now go back and tap on storage and cache and tap on the clear cache. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restrictions, so it depends on the phone you are using. Then after that, tap on background data. So make sure the background data is turned on. Go back and lastly tap on force stop, then tap on OK. After doing this, go to Google Play Store and try to update your app. So when you get the latest update of your app, you're going to see open over here like this. So after updating your app, when opens appear, don't tap on the open button over here. But what you have to do is to restart your device. So now tap your power button for some while and you are going to see this restart. So tap on restart and tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. See you in my next video. Don't forget to share this video, comment, and also subscribe to the channel.